Just for Kids Foundation, I think it's a true testament to the power of the community. If you go back to their roots and how they started, they wanted to help out with the hospital's first capital campaign, and here we are in our second capital campaign, and they're stronger than ever more than 25 years later. And it's really all about grassroots support, volunteering, and showing that people, when they put their energies together, a little bit of creativity, they can do a world of good for people who really need it.
La Fondation pour les enfants seulement et la Fondation de l'Hôpital de Montréal pour enfants sont des grands partenaires. La Fondation pour les enfants seulement est totalement dévouée à l'Hôpital de Montréal pour enfants, donc leur mission est d'amasser des fonds pour acheter de l'équipement médical pour l'Hôpital de Montréal pour enfants.
Government monies for equipment are languishing, they go down every year, so if we don't have donors who are willing to give those extra dollars so that we can buy equipment, the hospital would never be able to maintain its status as a world-class pediatric center.
Taking care of children who need medical care, this is all of our business because children really are our future, and it's up to us to give them the best that we can and give them the best quality that they deserve.
The Pediatric Day Hospital services children on a daily basis.
It includes the complex care service where we look after children that have got complex medical needs. It also includes the medical day hospital, which is an alternative to hospitalization. It provides a wide variety of care, and it allows children who otherwise would have to be hospitalized to actually go home and sleep in their own beds and then come back daily for care.
It's important to give them state-of-the-art medical care so that they can get better quickly and return to a normal life.
And I feel as though we're really on the cutting edge of medicine.
En tant que parents, nous voulons certainement éviter que nos enfants soient obligés d'aller à l'hôpital. Mais parfois, évidemment, nous n'avons pas le choix et nous voulons nous assurer en tant que parents que nos enfants soient entre les meilleures mains possibles, qu'ils soient dans des installations à la fine pointe de la technologie et que l'équipement médical qui servira à traiter nos enfants soit le meilleur équipement médical possible.
We're missing a lot of that equipment. It's not part of traditional medical equipment. So using these donations gives us the tools really to offer the care to these children.
The beauty of this is that the donor isn't pulled in two. By giving to Just for Kids, they get to contribute to the future as well as responding to the needs of today, because while we're building this new hospital, we have to take care of 200,000 plus children a year. Just for Kids is saying, well, you know, we see the need here and now. We want to be there for those kids who can't wait until 2015.
So we looked at different proposals, different scenarios, and we're very happy that the Just for Kids Foundation has accepted to embark on a $1 million project for the new hospital.
We see the building going up. It's changing the landscape of Montreal, and I think every donor who has decided to commit to this project will be extremely proud when we finally open our doors.
The families are expecting and deserve to have absolutely the best in terms of the clinicians that are looking after their children, the best in terms of the facilities.
Right now, we're trying to do our best, but we are limited by the physical structure of this building.
We've made incredible things possible, but this new building will really respond to the current and future needs of modern medicine. The operating rooms will be larger, we'll be able to accommodate all of this equipment.
The Just for Kids is really, in a very practical way, giving us the tools that we need to do our job best.
C'est fantastique d'avoir l'impression d'avoir pu contribuer à la réalisation d'un projet qui va durer pendant plusieurs générations.
I think that supporting Just for Kids means that you really are supporting sick kids. I mean, the name says it all. We're hoping that more people will help them fulfill this mandate for the new hospital, because it's really, it is a community effort, and everybody makes a difference by joining forces.
We can work together, we can cooperate together and support organizations like Just for Kids and help our own children and each other's children.